Hello, y'all. Welcome back. Holy cow, this is the end of the year. Can you believe it is December? I'm just floored. I feel like the first couple of months of the year just absolutely drag on until you get to April. And then the year just totally flies by. So I'm just still in shock that this is December, although December is my birthday month, but it's at the very end of the month. But anyways, I want to talk to you all about December. So I want to share with you what's happening in 4 different areas. So whether you're interested in joining as a consultant, hosting a party, being a customer, or if you're a seasoned consultant already, I'll share with you all things December here. So again, welcome. My name's Andrea. So glad you're here. If you're watching on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel, and then that way you'll get a notification on your phone when I post a new video. Okay. So lots going on in December and lots of prep going on in December for the upcoming new year. Okay. So, you can decide if you were interested in joining 31 as a consultant, if you are ready to, if you want to shop with yourself, or if you want to earn that commission as a consultant. So there's kind of 2 different pathways that you can do when you join 31 as a consultant. We are having our seasonal launch on December 2nd. So this is where the entire sales field will get to see the brand new catalog. I personally have seen the brand new catalog. I've seen it in person. I've been able to touch, feel, all the things, and it's absolutely amazing. So we will have brand new enrollment kits starting on December 2nd. Now, one thing to note is that these kits will not ship until about mid-month, but you can enroll starting on the 2nd, and you will get one of our brand new enrollment kits with the brand new prints and products and all of the good things, okay? And then also December is the last month where if you join as a new consultant, you'll receive 6 months of a free website. So we've kind of launched that. We did it in October, November, and then December's the last month. That's over a $100 value. And you'll find out when you are sharing shopping links and partying online and doing all the things, that website is totally worth it. I promise you. So that's a really great promotion that they are giving our new consultants through the end of December. And then also, like, December is one of our busiest selling seasons with 31. So this is a great time to join. Plus, we've got all the new coming next month. Okay, so if you're interested in hosting a party in the month of December, like, parties are my jam. I love being able to reward my hostesses with free credits, half price items, hostess exclusives, the hostess special, all the works. So my hostesses will start earning hostess rewards at the $200 level, and at each $100 level you earn a little bit more and a little bit more, right? And I always tell my hostesses a minimum party for us is a $500 party, because I want to reward her, and that's where she gets to double her rewards basically from that $200 level. Now the ultimate goal is that $1,000 party where she gets $300 shopping spree. And one thing that I think is really cool about hosting a party is you can actually carry your link over for 1 month. So say we open up your shopping link in December. The first orders are placed on your shopping link in December. We can actually carry your link over to January, and you'll still keep those orders and those hostess rewards that you've earned in December. You can carry them over through January. So you could shop from the new catalog with your hostess rewards if you'd like to. So that's something really neat to keep in mind. Also, we have a new hostess special every month. So when your party reaches that $500 level, then you will earn that current month's hostess special. So this month is the Slim Wallet with a wristlet strap for $20. So you've got a couple of print choices to choose from. So this is our Slim Wallet. This is it in the black. We have it in the metallic gold, the metallic silver, and the evergreen plaid print. And you can personalize your Slim Wallet for free. And it comes, of course, with that detachable wristlet strap there. And so I love the Slim Wallet. It's a smaller version of our Benjamin's wallet. You've got the change purse here. You still do have that full zipper closure. And then when you open it up over here, you've got card slots, place for your ID, card slots over here, and you can even store things behind here on both sides. So this is the Slim Wallet that our hostesses will get with a $500 party for $20. That's on top of their other rewards. Okay, what else do I have on here? Oh, this is the last month for these current hostess exclusives. So that the packing cubes, this is the last month for the packing cubes, last month for the trunk organizer. So this is that trunk organizer. I've got stuffing in here, but this is a tote on this side. So you got a tote here, and then this one is a thermal on this side. So you can keep them in the organizer, or you can use them separately and store other things on the inside of here. Just got stuffing in there so it doesn't like collapse on me, because I like for it to look pretty in parties. Okay, and then for our customers, so we have a lot of fun things for you all. Oh, I'm so excited. I know some things, but I cannot tell. Okay, so like I said, this is the last month for our current catalog. So our fall winter catalog, this is the last month for that. Last month for our holiday collection as well. So those evergreen plaid, evergreen branches print, the metallics, metallic gold, metallic silver. This is the last month to grab those. We do still have our 50/50 customer special. So spend 50, get a 50% off item of your choice. So I love that. And then y'all know that special is my favorite. And then we have some stocking stuffers that launched in December. Of course, it's while supplies last. I do have a couple of ones from the past, so I'm going to show those to you. So I'll show you the stocking stuffers first. So this is the, you'll get the stocking stuffer bundle. So this is the nail file bundle. You have 2 bundles to choose from, the Hit the Slopes and the Party Penguin. So this is a set of 3 nail files for $5. So such a great deal. So this was like one of our nail files in the past. It's a double-sided nail file, and you'll get 3 of them for $5. So really cute for stocking stuffers. And I love how thin these are, and they just slide down inside of your purse or any bag, even next to your nightstand, and you will have that file there for you. Okay, next is the mini clip pouch for $13, the mini clip pouch. So it'll come in the Polar Pals, the Penguin Party, what does that say? A Sloth Like Christmas, and Gingerbread Greetings. So I do have one of the ones from the past. I want to show you. I'm getting all my papers mixed up here. Sorry. Give me just a second. Okay, so this is one of the ones we had like in 2020 maybe. And so this is a little zip pouch. It's kind of got that feel to it there. Zipper closure. I would say, I don't necessarily say it's like thermal lined, but it is lined. And I keep this in my purse at all times because you can see here, I have my son's medicine in here. So he has very bad migraine. So I have to keep medicine with me at all times. And so I did have like one of those little tiny zipper things or little Ziploc bag things, and I'm like, why am I not using this thing? I love it. So it's got the little carabiner clip there. You can remove that if you'd like. My little girl also, she has a little like lobster claw thing in her backpack, and so she uses this carabiner clip and hooks that in her backpack, and she puts her snack money and lunch money in there. So many things that you can use this for. Lipstick, chapstick, candy, literally all the things. So these are really, really great to have around. And then also we have our envelope card pouch. So if you have been around with 31 for a long time, you may have remembered something that we had years ago called the Letters to London. People still ask for that little pouch. This is very similar, but this one comes with a wristlet strap there for $15. So you can choose navy, metallic silver, or mulberry. So love that. And it will open up kind of like the envelope style, and you can put, I think, up to about 3 credit cards, maybe like an ID and 2 debit cards in there, so you can kind of fit that. I'm thinking too that I haven't seen this in person, but I'm thinking that it will probably hold business cards and things like that. And I love that it comes with the little wristlet strap, so that's cool. And then we also have that cozy fleece blanket. Do y'all remember this from last year? So I have one of my little girls here. I got everybody in our family one last year, and I personalized it for each person, and that's how we keep up with whose blanket is whose. So this is the cozy fleece blanket for $20. So it's going to come, it's like a cream color. And then the other one says it's evergreen. I've not seen that one in person, but I think it's kind of like almost like a grayish green. So it's got green undertones to it. But here is here is my daughter's from last year. So here it is folded up. And so the corner, one of the corners is going to be personalized there. And so I did the unicorn, her favorite color is purple. So I did unicorn and then her name on there. And so like my son, I did the deer antlers for him and put his name. And me, I did the feathers on mine. And my husband's, I did the J in that shadow icon there. But this is, can y'all see like how, you can see like how smooth this is. So both sides are super cozy. So this, it is 50 inches by, is it 50? Yeah, 50 inches by 60 inches, I think. So that's, oh, and also one thing I wanted to call your attention to is we have gift certificates. So if you were shopping for someone and maybe it's past our Christmas cutoff, which I'll share that date with you in just a second, and you're like, I need a gift, we can do a gift certificate, and then they can choose whatever they want with that gift certificate. So I'm happy to help you with that. Okay. And then let's see, all of our holiday collection is on sale. So anything in a holiday print, any of the metallics, I'm pointing at this like you can see it, the metallics, metallic gold, metallic silver, any of the holiday prints are on sale through the end of December. Also keep in mind about our bundle and save. So anytime you're shopping, always check out that sale tab. So go to the sale, go to bundle and save. You'll see the items that we have bundled together for you. Go to the solutions that save tab and you'll see some of those bundles that we have prepared for you there. Our shipping cutoff for the United States is December 11th. So make sure that you have that's where 31, our distribution center, is guaranteeing if you place your order by that day, you will receive your order in time for Christmas. Okay. And then if you order anything with our Picture Proud personalization, so it's kind of like that print design or heat or like a, what is it called? Like a heat transfer, you know, you upload your picture and then we'll print it on any of our solid color items. You have to have that order in by December 4th. Okay. So, but for United States, you need to make sure that your order is in by December 11th to guarantee it by Christmas. And if it's after Christmas, maybe a couple of days after the cutoff, they may still be working and you may still get your order by Christmas, but it's just not guaranteed. But if it is after the cutoff, keep in mind that you can purchase gift certificates. We have them in several different denominations. And then also, if you are one of my customers, especially in my VIP group, I am going to be launching a fundraiser for the Children's Healthcare of Atlanta and the Ronald McDonald House. And we are going to be sponsoring zipper pouches. And so zipper pouches for the children and just kind of have maybe a little something special in the Ronald McDonald House rooms there for them. And just have some little Christmas goodies inside. I'll fill those with some goodies, candies and coloring books and fun little Christmas items. So I just need my customers to sponsor those. And so I'll be doing that, probably starting that next week in my VIP group. So looking forward to see how many that we can sponsor. I'll set a goal for us in there. And okay, also consultants. If you are a consultant, a seasoned consultant, let's go over a couple things for us. Okay, so our core value for the month of December is gracious. So display a servant's heart. So how do you show yourself grace and to others during the holiday season? So that's definitely something to think about. Like I said at the beginning, our seasonal premiere is December 2nd for us consultants, where we get to see the brand new catalog and they show us all of the goods that'll launch in January. So that's one thing that all of us consultants look forward to every season. We also have a sales incentive like we have all year long. So in December, if the consultant submits $1,000 in personal volume or sales, then she's going to receive the new Insider Hostess exclusive, the on-the-go organizer, for free. So that's one thing that I love that 31 does for us, is they let us earn a Hostess exclusive for the next season, so we can use that as a booking tool to book parties. And then also we'll have a pre-sale for consultants where we can shop the new catalog early in December for 40% off, and we have these products in our hands when the new season launches. So that's a perk for active consultants only. Also, we have just some key dates. On December 5th, we have an Inside the Pink Box on December 5th at 8 p.m. I think that's going to be on Zoom. So if you have someone who is interested in joining your team, or if you're interested in joining my team, I'd love to get you the link to that and share all of the goodness that 31 has to offer. We have some paydays in December. We get paid on December 8th and on Christmas Day. That's exciting. And then we have some special announcements that 31 is keeping from us, but they will be released on December 4th, December 11th, the 18th, and the 29th. So that was a lot that I threw at you today, but so many fun things in the month of December. I'd love to know what you are excited about. Okay, I hope that you have a wonderful December, a Merry Christmas, and I hope that you remember the true meaning of Christmas. Okay, y'all have a wonderful day. I'll link everything below.